Pretty big week in the Supreme Court with several major decisions still hanging in the balance. Attorney A. Scott Bolden is live with us now to break down what we could see in the coming days and weeks. Good afternoon to you, sir. I know we've talked affirmative action. We have also student loan repayment. What are you watching to see come down the pike this week?
Well, we're all looking at affirmative action, the Harvard case and the UNC case, these companion cases, where the real question for this conservative Supreme Court will be, can race under Bakke still be considered one of many factors considered in higher education when they go to admit students? It's huge because the organization that's the moving party is an organization representing Asian students, even though at the federal district court level, no Asian students testified in support of this. And so it's gotten to the Supreme Court. Many of us believe that if they rule in favor or they rule against race being used as a factor, then affirmative action in business and other settings, employment settings, is going to go away as well. And so that's the big case. The LGBT community is waiting on another case involving a plaintiff who is a graphic artist, and the graphic artist doesn't want to design wedding websites for people who are gay or LGBTQ, arguing that her religious rights or her First Amendment rights are violated because the Colorado statute says you've got to service everyone. And so that's another big case that we're looking for.
And also we're talking about President Joe Biden's student loan repayment, which has been controversial. The justices are also weighing that decision.
Yeah, how could I forget that? My goodness, I've got daughters. They've got some student loans, and every other day they ask me about loan forgiveness.
We need
I'm their loan forgiveness right now. I want Joe Biden to do their loan forgiveness, if you will. But yeah, you know, those two cases, one, the big one brought by 5 or 6 attorney generals, saying that it's going to affect investors who buy or invest in student loans. And Biden, the Department of Education, has overstepped its bounds by trying to forgive up to $20,000 for each student. You know, we got $1.75 trillion in student debt. That's big business for investors. But at the same time, it's weighing down those who have a job or those who are looking for a job after graduation or those who even can't finish college. And so Joe Biden made this promise to the not only the near left, but the far left. And it's something that Democrats really want to happen.
Indeed, they do. A. Scott Bolden, we're going to have to leave it there with you. But as always, thank you for your legal expertise.
Thank you.
We appreciate it here in the DMV zone.